Welcome. Unfortunately, I wasn't training today. I had French classes and other shit that I had to do. Unfortunately, I fucking hate it that I can't sometimes do what I need to do to actually succeed, but it is what it is. I have some shit that I need to do this year. Like I need to finish my fucking high school. Like fucking high school or college. I don't fucking know how to. Yeah, high school. I need to finish my high school. So I had a lot of stuff going on, and yeah, like right now, probably I will need to like abandon my gym to actually focus more on trading because that's the main task for this year. I can I can put put gym and things like that to the aside, and focus on trading. So that's why I'm here. And despite I wasn't trading, journal can be made. So I just marked some important things on the chart, and let's actually analyze what happened today. So coming to like, of course everything will be in hindsight, unfortunately, but like it doesn't matter. Like journal is journal, and tape reading is tape reading, right? So coming to the daily, yesterday price was in this daily FEG. There was some type of reaction, like we respected the equilibrium of this FEG. However, it wouldn't be something that I would be really focused on. But this is also a important fact. I said that I wouldn't focus on, but I'm saying that this is important. I say like this was important because we respected the equilibrium of this FEG. On ES we even closed below it, And what's more interesting it does is that we created this daily volume imbalance here, so that was avoid that price needed to actually fill, to continue higher. This was like a discount array that price had to fill to continue higher. So this would be my main draw for the day, and I would be looking for this daily volume imbalance. So going into 4 hour, we can see that price went to this BPR. There was nice reaction. And then price was accumulating. Okay, it's 4 hours, so like we'll like dissect it more on the lower time frames. But like coming to 4 hour, there were there were those how to say those lows here, this low, this low, this low, this low. There was this 4 hour refugee, and what's more important, in the discount of this range, there was this 4 hour refugee, so that would be also interesting. So initially, looking at 4 hour, I would be looking for this 4 hour FVG, and depends if there still would be signs that this 4 hour FVG can be the case to actually go lower, then I would be also looking on, let me actually, because it was in the discount of the range, On the yesterday, I said that price shouldn't go there if we are bullish, but actually, I'm still fucking learning and I'm still making mistakes. And how we can see, this wasn't true, despite there were this invert FEG order blocks. There was something on 1 hour which was actually clear. I don't know what I missed it, but I will write that in my journal. And what I want you to show. And also another thing is that this daily volume, like despite anything, this daily volume imbalance was created here, and below this daily volume imbalance, there in close proximity there was this 4 hour FEG, and this 4 hour FEG was in the discount of this whole range. So that's why everything is aligning. So looking on 4 hour, I would be looking for this as a main target, and right now going into 1 hour. On 1 hour, there was nice consolidation, which happened actually on Sunday, Monday. Today was Tuesday, yeah, Sunday. Also, there was this 1 hour FG in the discount, perfectly in the discount. Below this accumulation here. And right now, it looks clear that also this was accumulation, this was manipulation move. So having a daily and 4 hour narrative to go bearish, I would be looking for signs. Right now I would be looking for signs to continue that. So also there was this clear sales liquidity which I mentioned on the 4 hour. And yeah, and right now coming into the 9, that's how the price was looking at. Let me see one thing. That's how price was looking at between 8 to 9. Wait. Okay, that's how the price was looking on the 8 to 9 candle, and there was this buy side liquidity. So having a bearish bias, let me see one thing. Also on 4 hour there was this high, so that's why we could expect a soup on this high, and seeing that there was this accumulation on 1 hour, this was looking like a manipulation. Our higher time frame bias was bearish. That's why we could look to make a soup on this buy side liquidity. So yeah, 1 hour from also another thing which right now aligns with our bias was the fact that midnight didn't manipulate, like there wasn't any clear manipulation for this low. We just went this wick here, but that's shit, nothing special. Here price was just accumulating. So going into 15-minute. Right now looking at our cycles, like even looking at cycles, it was clear that 7 to 8:30 was accumulating, 8:30 to 10 manipulated, and 10 distributed, beautiful time cycles. There was also clear sales liquidity going higher, and anticipating soup on this high, there was also as anticipating this soup on this high. Right now we could anticipate that 9:30 will just manipulate into some form like this 15th FEG to then reverse, right? Because our higher time frame bias was bearish, and also those confirmations like how I mentioned, and also midnight didn't manipulate, London didn't manipulate. So there was this 15th FEG, 9:30 price manipulated into it. There was SMT into this FEG. Price just fucking dumped lower, we just fucking dumped lower for this sales liquidity. And also right now it looks so beautiful, isn't it? Like accumulation here, manipulation, price was accumulating here, soup on this high, generating more sales liquidity, dump. Beautiful. Let's analyze if there were any good setups. And of course there were. So the sell side at this time wasn't taken, and at 9:30 price manipulated here, made this huge drop. Wait, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So again, at 5 there was this nice setup here because of the fact that 9:30 manipulated this 15th FEG, create SMT, price just fucking dropped here. And if you take a look, this dropped, made this SMT at lows. However, you shouldn't look at this SMT as a sign of reversal, because still this was our initial draw, and our general draw was this daily volume balance, which perfectly aligned with the sell side here, and this 4-hour FEG and 1-hour discount, So sometimes SMTs like that will happen, but those are, you need to those will just happen, and you need to filter those SMTs and know on which you should look and on which you shouldn't, because probably if I had seen it, I would have been scared, especially if I would have been in this short here. But I'm also learning this shit, and I see that you need to be able to filter which SMT is the correct one. And because we are bearish, we don't look for bullish SMTs until our draw on good T is met. So yeah, there was 5-minute breaker, beautiful displacement, price went higher, delivered into it, and just fucking dropped lower. Another opportunity was here, but yeah, it was here because we still had this sales liquidity here. Like, of course, at this time here, we were in probably one of those 1-hour FEGs, but despite this fact, let me actually see one thing. Despite this fact, because at this time we were in some of these 1 hour FVGs, so price probably was making some reactions. I know, but we still had the sales liquidity here, so you could look at this move here as price went to the discount on the daily. We went this daily volume imbalance, so again price repriced to this, how to say, we reprice to the premium, and you could enter on this 5-minute FVG. However, your stop loss would be big, so you could just wait, and on 1 minute, for example, once price close below this candle, below this order block, boom, you could enter here, and it would be a lower risk entry, you know. Yeah, like let's analyze everything on 5 minutes, and then we will jump into 1 minute. So yeah, price dump lower, we took all the sell side, and around 10:45 price made this sharp retracement. On 1 hour we created this huge wick here, and price came back to 5-minute order block. On the ES side of fucking nowhere we came back, like there was this order block here with this volume balance, price went here. So let me mark this out because this is interesting. So yeah, price came back here, made SMT, boom, disrespected 5-minute interval on lower time frame to soup, price went lower, took this 1 hour sell side wick. Also there was a 15th FEG before, but it was after 10. So yeah, let's dive into 1 minute, you know. We are wasting time on those higher time frames. No, I'm joking. Okay, so there was this 5-minute breaker, 5-minute breaker. Yeah, price delivered daily volume balance, again repriced into 5-minute FVG. So right now we are looking if algo is showing willingness to continue lower to take the sell side. Yes, it does here. Price displace it, boom, order block went lower, another situation, another opportunity. We closed below the previous cycle low. What does it mean? Potential continuation or reversal, but we still had this sell side liquidity. Let me actually see one thing. It would even add more to our, yeah, on ES also this sell side wasn't taken. So previous how to say, previous cycle low, price closed below it, boom, order block, and we delivered to the sell side 1 hour FEG in discount. So yeah, first entry here, low risk, adding to the position, boom. And then what happened? On 15 minutes there was actually something that I'm learning right now, which I saw really nice, is that once we took the important sell side, you know, in this case 1 hour FEG, price made this wick, boom, went again, sweep this sell side, and on 1 minute there was a nice breaker. Actually we were in such a discount, you know, despite price didn't deliver into the 1 hour FEG. You also should be cautious, you know, like yeah, we delivered on, price delivered this 1 hour FEG on ES, on NQ, however it didn't on ES. And let me actually see one thing here, this was the same FEG. So yeah, there was quote unquote SMT into this FEG. Wait, let me actually, yeah, there was a quote unquote this SMT in this 1 hour FEG, but I would be still looking for this 1 hour FEG, you know, probably. But yeah, there was nice breaker with this, like I think it's called CRT, you know, free candle model, like 1 hour FEG on 15 minute we sweep, again we went lower, again price close above it. This could be a breaker and you could target again some premium arrays here. Price again went to this 5-minute order block, SMT. This SMT, like algo was showing that probably, yeah, also we create this 1 hour wick. So right now seeing that on 1 hour price create this huge wick, seeing that on 1 hour price created this huge wick, and we know that price is generating sell side liquidity below it. Right now we should look on, we should be looking on how to say, on 1 minute to see if algo is showing willingness to continue lower. And how we can see, like, we delivered this 5-minute order block on how to say, on ES, on NQ. Price made SMT, we violated 5-minute internal low, price made this sub here, boom, invert FEG, you could buy here, and you could target this 1 hour sell liquidity. Also after 12, price delivered this 15th FEG, boom, went lower, breaker here, breaker actually before price took the sell side on both pairs, you know. Look. Oh, let me actually see that. So yeah, man, I wouldn't take it after 12, you know. We delivered to 1 hour FEG, there was this SMT. So yeah, I would be cautious. How to say? Yeah, I would be cautious. So yeah, but it was after 12, so I'm not really interested in that. But yeah, interesting session. Unfortunately, I couldn't trade it, but it is what it is. We made a journal, and yeah, hope we are seeing tomorrow. Take care. Take care. I don't know if I heard that some people are saying that at the end of the video. I don't know. I'm fucking tired. Okay, we are seeing tomorrow. Enjoy. No fuck. Bro, I need to work on the I need to work on the structure, how to end my videos, but hope you like it, and we are seeing tomorrow.